Did you know that right now, in this very moment, your body is losing muscle? It's a process that starts around age 30 and accelerates every single year after that. But here's the thing most people don't realize. You have the power to reverse it. What if I told you that just 5 simple exercises, done consistently at home with zero equipment, could help you move like you're decades younger? Stay with me because by the end of this video, you'll have a complete daily routine that takes less than 10 minutes, but delivers results that could transform how you feel every single day. Welcome to BioWell Hub, where we believe that aging is inevitable, but feeling old is optional. I'm here to share proven strategies that help you build strength, improve mobility, and maintain the independence you deserve at any age. Today, we're diving into 5 powerful exercises that hundreds of people over 60 have used to rebuild their strength and confidence. These aren't complicated gym moves or trendy fitness fads. These are functional movements that directly improve how you move through your daily life. Let's talk about why this matters. As we age, our bodies undergo a natural process called sarcopenia, which is the gradual loss of muscle mass. This isn't just about aesthetics or vanity. This loss of muscle directly impacts your quality of life. Think about those everyday moments. Standing up from your favorite chair, climbing a flight of stairs, carrying groceries from the car, or even just maintaining your balance on uneven sidewalks. When your muscles weaken, these simple tasks become challenging, frustrating, and sometimes even dangerous. The real kicker is that this process speeds up dramatically if we're not actively using our muscles. Long periods of sitting, reduced activity, and simply not challenging our bodies enough all contribute to faster muscle loss. But here's the incredible news: it's never too late to rebuild that strength. Your muscles have an amazing ability to respond to training at any age. With consistent functional movements, you can restore lost muscle, dramatically improve your balance, and move with the confidence and ease you remember from years ago. Let's start with the sit-to-stand exercise. Find a sturdy chair and sit down with your feet about hip-width apart. Cross your arms over your chest, then push through your feet to stand up tall. The key here is control as you slowly lower yourself back down. This might look basic, but don't let its simplicity fool you. This single movement targets your thighs, glutes, and core, which are the exact muscles you need for getting up and down throughout your day. When these muscles are strong, you'll notice that standing from low surfaces becomes effortless, and you'll move with much greater stability. This exercise is literally training you for independence. Start with 10 slow, controlled repetitions. Next up, we have calf raises. Stand tall with your feet hip-width apart, and use a wall or chair for light support if needed. Lift your heels off the ground so you're balanced on your toes. Hold that position for just a second, then lower back down with control. Your calves and ankles are working hard during this movement, and they're crucial for every single step you take. Stronger calves help absorb the impact of walking, making each step feel lighter and more effortless. They also dramatically improve ankle stability, which is absolutely essential for balance and fall prevention. If you've ever felt wobbly or unsteady on uneven ground, this exercise directly addresses that weakness. Aim for 10 controlled repetitions. The third exercise is wall press-ups. Stand at arm's length from a wall and place your hands flat against it at shoulder height. Bend your elbows to bring your chest gently toward the wall while keeping your entire body in a straight line. Then push yourself back to the starting position. This movement builds strength in your chest, shoulders, and triceps, which are your primary pushing muscles. These muscles help you get up from the floor, push open heavy doors, and support yourself when standing. You'll also engage your core to maintain proper alignment. Complete 10 repetitions with slow, steady movements. For the fourth exercise, grab some light weights or even 2 water bottles for an overhead press. Stand or sit upright, bring your hands to shoulder height, then press them straight overhead until your arms are fully extended. Lower them back down with control. This targets your shoulders, upper back, and arms, which are vital for maintaining good posture and handling everyday lifting tasks. This exact movement pattern is what you use when putting groceries on a high shelf or storing items in cupboards. Over time, you'll experience better shoulder mobility and less stiffness throughout your upper back. Do 10 smooth, controlled repetitions. The fifth and final exercise is the step-back lunge. Stand tall and step backward with one leg, bending both knees slightly. Push through your front foot to return to standing, then switch legs. Use a chair or wall for balance support if needed. Lunges strengthen your thighs, glutes, and core while simultaneously training your balance and coordination. They replicate real-world movements like climbing stairs or rising from the floor, building the kind of practical strength that genuinely improves your daily life. Even taking small steps makes a significant difference. Perform 5 lunges on each leg. Now here's how to put it all together into one powerful daily routine. Complete 10 sit-to-stands, 10 calf raises, 10 wall press-ups, 10 overhead presses, and 5 lunges per leg. Rest for about 30 seconds, then repeat the entire circuit 2 to 3 times. That's all it takes. Just 5 to 10 minutes each day to rebuild strength, enhance balance, and move with renewed confidence. As you progress and get stronger, you can increase the repetitions or add slightly heavier weights. Remember, the goal isn't perfection, it's consistent progress. These 5 movements directly strengthen the same muscles you rely on every single day, which means the benefits compound quickly. You'll stand taller, walk with greater stability, and feel stronger doing all the activities you love. Thank you so much for watching BioWell Hub today. If you found this routine helpful, make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you never miss our practical health and wellness content. Keep moving forward, keep challenging yourself, and remember that every single repetition is an investment in your future independence. I'll see you in the next video.